Welcome back to Jackla Travel. Just quickly today, I wanted to talk about some items that have absolutely changed the way I travel and changed the way I pack for travel. Number one, something called merino wool. I have heard this term year over year, but this is a dress I bought. This one is from Wool & Company, although there are many companies that make this. And the point of merino wool is that you can wear it over and over and over, and miraculously, you can wear it for days without it smelling. So number one, absolutely get some merino wool and you will not have to pack as many clothes and really just bring a couple things on your next trip, even if it's a couple weeks long. Number two, may seem silly, but tubing mascara has absolutely changed my life. It goes on like other mascara, except for that at night when you wash it off, all you do is you get a little water on it and you just kind of peel it off. It doesn't get all over your face. I don't have to bring makeup remover anymore. There's a couple brands. This one's e.l.f. and like $7 at the drugstore, and completely changed the way that I bring stuff for cosmetics for traveling. Number three is find a good pair of shoes. I know some of you have heard my story about how my feet hurt so bad in the middle of Stockholm and I had to stop and buy these, and it was just like clouds going on my feet because I used to try to be cute all the time, and now I just decided this is all I need all the time. It goes with most outfits. It is fairly attractive, but I wear this with dresses and everything. I rarely bring a second pair of shoes unless I'm going to the beach or something. Absolutely recommend getting a good sturdy pair of shoes so that your feet are not hurting, because that will change, that has the potential to make a trip really good or really bad. Definitely a sweater coat has absolutely changed my life as well, because can be dressed up, it can be dressed down, it can be kind of warm, it can be worn in really cold weather. Perfect for the plane. It kind of covers anything up, and then you don't worry about your clothes as much because you're covering it anywhere. So I like to wear that with leggings and my tennis shoes, and it's a perfect travel outfit. And number six, get yourself a sling bag. This is perfect for walking around any city during the day. It's safe because you can wear it on your front anytime you want, and it carries pretty much everything you need: your phone, your passport, your room key, your keys, anything like that, without having too much bulk with you, having to have your shoulder hurt or your back hurt or anything like that. This one's a really nice sling bag I got as a gift. I would absolutely recommend, but there are cheaper ones on Amazon that work just as well. So recommend this as your bag of choice for walking around any city during the day. That was just a quick overview, 6 things that have absolutely changed the way I travel. Let me know if you have any others that you found that have really helped you, or if you have any thoughts on the ones I had here. Don't forget to subscribe and like below as well. Thank you.